What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the Embassy Suites by Hilton. This hotel here is in Charlotte, North Carolina, right in the Uptown area. We've got a valet. So just to give you some reference, Nascar Hall of Fame, I just went there. Very cool. They have a Brazilian steakhouse right there, Buffalo Wild Wings at the bottom. There you have the Westin Hotel. So lots going on right here, central location. Not gonna get a better location than this. Maybe the Omni. No, I'm just kidding. This is better than the Omni. So, check-in area right here. That is Hawaii, I believe. Pretty sure that's Hawaii. Makes you want to go right away, doesn't it? So you got the ground level here, meeting area, breakfast, restaurant, bar, all that jazz. First night I stayed here in Charlotte, I was at the Fairmont, and this is a major upgrade, but the difference is this one's basically almost the same price. So, better location. Better quality. So it's a win. Okay, so here we are. Up top here. You can see little meeting room area. And then right over here, we actually have the fitness center as well as the pool. So we're going here to the pool. It says it's open 24/7. That's good, and it's heated. You can feel the heat in here when you come in. Excuse me. Wow, I just sneezed. But yeah, I'm gonna actually go for a little swim here. I got a shower before I get in. The good thing is it's not cold in here. So when I shower, I won't be freezing. It kind of feels like a sauna. But after this, I'll show you the, there's some towels, the fitness center. All right, so here's a look at the room. So it's got a little living area, very comfortable. And then here's the bed room. Got a view of the NASCAR Hall of Famer. And it just pops back out. I guess today is the 40th anniversary for Embassy Suites, and they're commemorating it with Coca-Cola. So they're giving everyone a free Coke. But what do we have here? Very nice. And then you have the outlets for the desk and all that jazz. Well, speaking of weather, check out this storm that just moved in right now while I'm here, even in May. It's basically 4 in the afternoon and it looks like it's almost apocalyptic here. This is a heck of a storm. It should be really sunny out and it is just dark. So the good news is here on level 3, they do have a guest laundry. You can see. But everything is coins, unfortunately. So you need coins, quarters. They don't have it automated with the cards. Got a phone up here. And now for my final review of the Embassy Suites here in Charlotte. So the location is fantastic. It's right across the street from the NASCAR Hall of Fame, and it's right there in Uptown area. The room quality was very nice. And let me fix this real quick. I'm currently in Bangkok. I'll give you a little bit more information about where I'm going, but let me finish up this review as I put this out. I ended up going from Charlotte to New York City and then to Kuwait and then to Bangkok. So you guys got some content to look forward to, by the way. But either way, yeah, this hotel, great location. I stayed there for 2 days, and I didn't try the breakfast though, unfortunately. I tried some of the other amenities like the pool, which was very nice. I did go for a swim twice, and the pool was heated, a bit warm, so that was nice. The staff was friendly, although, you know, it's typical American quality customer service, you know, friendly just enough, but nothing that's going to wow you or anything like that. And I say this because right when I get to Asia, I instantly notice a difference in customer service right away. Well, especially in like Thailand. I mean, it's like that in Thailand, Philippines, probably Bali, Indonesia. You know, you're going to experience that in places like Dubai. But so I guess when I'm comparing American customer service, it's always just good. It's pretty much just good. It's never like outstanding or great. And that's not a knock on the US. It's just that's what you guys are used to. So that's what you're going to get. Until the day comes when you actually get above and beyond customer service, you'll know what I'm talking about. Some of you have actually left the United States. You probably know what I'm talking about. But this hotel, they had decent customer service. I mean, it wasn't anything. Oh, no, wait. There was one worker that worked there. It was a female, but she was from Morocco. She wasn't American. Not that that really plays too much of a factor in terms of her job. But yeah, she wasn't from the US, so she was different, used to different customer service. She went above and beyond. I wish I could remember her name, but she like made me a coffee and all that. So shout out to her. I'm sorry I forgot her name. And yeah, but anyways, let me give you a little update on where I'm at and where I'm going. So from Charlotte, I took an American Airlines flight to New York City, JFK. I got there to JFK. It was cold. I didn't have a ticket. I didn't know where I was going. I was kind of like, throw a dart at the dartboard. Where do I want to go? And because the weather was so gloomy and just dark, even in May, all across the East Coast, Charlotte was the same way. I was like, I need some sunshine. I know it's coming to the United States, but I was like, I'm not going to wait, because I looked at the 7-day forecast and it was more clouds. And I didn't want to go south into Latin America and the Caribbean because I had already just came out of there. So I was like, all right, I'm not going to Europe either because it was the same situation. So back to Southeast Asia I went. And yeah, now I'm here. I've got people on the channel commenting saying they want more Thailand hotels. I'm actually at the Hilton. I already made a video of this, so I won't be doing that. But the New York City video will be the Hyatt Regency Resorts World, which is a pretty cool hotel nearby JFK Airport. I don't know exactly where I'm going in Southeast Asia. I'm still trying to get my circadian rhythm back on track here because New York to Bangkok is literally like half a world apart. So I'm literally having to shift my whole sleep schedule. I'm usually falling asleep around like 5 or 6. Last night I made it till around like 8. So that was a big stride for me, but I just, like 8 o'clock comes rolling around, I just knock out. It's really hard to stay up. But I'm going to keep trying, and hopefully I get my circadian rhythm back on track here. But yeah, Hyatt Regency, New York City Resorts World coming next, and then it's going to be Asia again. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Watch some more of our other videos from VertCam, my other channel, and also Travel Highlights. I'm going to be doing more live behind-the-scenes stuff with them. And then there's the main channel, Island Hopper TV. So see you all in the next one. You can also watch some of our Washington, D.C. and Baltimore hotel reviews next.